Welcome to day 21 of 120 days profitability challenge. In this series, I'm challenging myself to become a profitable forex trader within 120 days. How possible is this going to be? Well, I'm documenting every aspect of this journey right here on this YouTube channel. So if you'd like to follow me and keep yourself updated, kindly go ahead and hit that subscribe button on the channel and let's roll this together. As you can already tell, I'm happy. I'm happy not because I'm posting this video. I'm happy because I still have the chance. Or I'm happy because I've gotten a chance to study something that will help me get closer to my dream of becoming a profitable forex trader within 120 days. Today being day 21, I've had a chance to learn about one entry model, which is change of character with inducement entry model. So I believe this is going to help me in the long run towards my dream of becoming a profitable forex trader. I wouldn't like to talk much about that. Let me just show you a typical example of it or an illustration of it on a chart right away from the video I'm watching.
All right, using this image as an illustration, let me quickly talk about a few things for you before I go. Right, so using this entry model, we have two scenarios. Scenario one, where we have unmitigated zone present, unmitigated zone from a higher time frame. And scenario two, we have a mitigated zone present. So depending on how you want to go with this entry model, you have to consider these two things. You have to look out for these two things before you do any other thing with this entry model. Now, just like the name suggests, change of character with inducement, meaning for this entry model to be the entry model you have to follow, you must see an inducement before you move to do something else on the chart, right? So let's look at this drawing over here and analyze it, right? So we have first BOS over there and a second BOS. Now a quick one, the second BOS is actually not a BOS, it is a change of character. I hope that is understandable. It is not a break of structure, it is a change of character shown right there. Okay, so once price has changed character and it is now moving downwards, we then have to expect or look out for an inducement to be present. And after the inducement, we can now go ahead and look for our entry criteria or model. Then we take a trade from there. In this case, we want to take a sell trade. So the first move that caused the change of character, the second place that has been labeled BOS, like I said, it is change of character. So the movement that caused the change of character, you see another move backwards, another move upwards, right? That place where there's an X drawn over here, that is an inducement. Now the inducement got taken out, and once it is taken out, we now have to look for our other block or any other entry confirmation that we want to look for. We have to look for this entry model or criteria. Then when price move back to that point, then we begin to take trades from there, depending on the time frame that we are using. I don't know if you've gotten exactly what I've talked about over there, but it is basically like that, right? And I think when I'm using the charts, I mean the main candlestick stuff over there, I'm pretty much sure it will be way clearer to you. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm hoping one day, I'm hoping I'll put up the main chart, or I'll pull out the main charts one of these days for you to see.
All right, so guys, that is it. And thank you so much for sticking around on this 120 days challenge. It has never been an easier one. Like, I mean, the ups, the downs, the challenges, you've seen some of them lately because I've not been able to study anything for some days now. And even it might even happen in the future, all right? It might even happen because I'll be undertaking something very soon that may take me away from the charts. And unfortunately, I've not made provision for these things during my preparation for the challenge. But anyway, as they come, they are part of the challenges, the downs I've been talking about that I'll be documenting on this channel. So yeah, I'll just take them like that. But at the end of the day, we want to become, or I want to become, a profitable trader within 120 days. that is still valid, it's still solid, and we're going to roll this together. I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.